Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change the LCD in your iPhone 11 version. In this case I'm going to show you the parts which you need to have with your repair about the phone. So in this case we need to have few plastic elements to open the phone, and some of the screws to open the screw on the downside, which I'm gonna be show you for a while. Next we need to have, of course, the LCD. This is the LCD from my partner. The LCD have a high brightness, high color saturation, good responsibility, and is easy to install and flexible in touch. And of course it has low power consumption and long service life. This is how it looks like. This is the main product of our repair. As you see, the quality of this product is very nice. Of course you can buy it on the link below of my video. When we're gonna be install the phone, we need this glue to stick the cover and stick the LCD. So now I'm gonna be show you how to change LCD by your own in your home by free with this LCD, which you can buy on the link below.